Hi, Natalie.
I'm getting a bath from a dog. Is this kind of weird for you? I don't know about this. I don't mind him, but I don't necessarily like the tongue.
The tongue?
Oh, no, that's, yeah.
Well,
right.
she's kind of nibbling.
Well, it's kind of, what, a love bite or something?
Well, not sure.
I don't know. It's kind of weird.
But actually, for a Jack Russell, I think Claire is doing really well.
Yeah, you know, she's okay.
Yeah.
Kisses.
Oh, now how sweet could that be?
Oh, look how nice.
Oh, look. Claire loves you.
Yeah, well.
Or would love to eat you, I'm not sure.
Good thing you guys are here, just in case.
Well, it is a good thing.
All right.
Yeah, I have her collar, too, you know.
Okay. And
Yeah.
I think there's someone behind me that would probably snatch me up.
Well, I think so. How's the couch?
It's good. It's a massaging couch. I highly recommend them to everybody. They're pretty nice.
Oh.
What's in there?
It's your new home.
Oh, hello.
Oh, where you going?
To my new home.
Okay, bye.
Bye.